do people confuse free and freemium?
Yes, I think the idea of free is the idea that everything is free, that there's only free, that's the only option. I like to think about it as the zero price point, so that there's one option of something being free, and there's many, many other options where things cost. That would be freemium, which is that you have one price at free and many other tiering levels of entry or purchase prices besides free.
Okay. Now, using free as a way of getting attention, getting publicity, what do people need to do after that? They need to sort of close the loop on this, right?
In my view, I think free is a bottom state that's always going to be there. So no matter what you're doing, someone somewhere will have the zero price option. Doesn't mean you have to have the zero price option, but it means that you have to certainly compete in that world of zero price. And if there is a zero price, it's usually because copies have less value. Copies of things are going to be copied. So what I like to think about is ways in which you can make value to add to the free. So the free is sort of the vehicle at the bottom that's free, not valuable, but we want to add value in other ways, and I'm suggesting that we add value in ways that can't be copied. So it's in the generatives, the experience, the contextual things around and built upon the free copies that actually has the value where you can get money.
I see. So last question I have for you. Is DRM and its demise, is it sort of inevitable? Will we get past the point where we try to keep locking down content, particularly the type of content that can be easily copied?
So I think the desire and even the possibilities of having rights managed is not something that will go away. I think we'll constantly try this, and there are ways in ways we can construct systems where we can actually try to enforce that, but we have to understand it's going to be enforced or made to happen on top of this free circulation, this super distribution of free stuff, which at that level cannot be protected, cannot be managed. And so every time we make a new technology, there's a chance at that moment to kind of impose some restrictions on it. And so I think this will be constantly being reinvented, and we'll try it again and again, and somewhat successfully. But at the bottom, where things are circulating for free and the copies are made very easily, there's no hope of really instituting it there. But we're always making new things, and so there's always going to be another chance to try and do it and to manage it for a short while before it becomes free.
Interesting. Well, thank you very much for being with us.
My pleasure. Oh, I forgot.